Alright guys, this was supposed to be a fun video and whatnot. I was supposed to install a tonneau cover on my truck today, and I got it today. I thought it was a decent deal. I went to the dealership and I picked it up, and I was so excited to come home and install it and make a video how to install it today. But I came home, I ate lunch, took a little bit rest because I got up at 4 in the morning today, and I went out to my garage to do an install video on my tonneau cover. And while I was unpacking everything up, I pulled the cover out, pulled the brackets, and there was some plastic baggies and whatnot with hardware and instructions and whatnot. And while I was cutting the bag open with my razor blade slipped and I actually cut the tonneau cover about 2 inch 2 inches big gash in it. I was so upset, guys, but then I was looking it over, and that tonneau cover really wasn't good quality cover anyways. I was gonna end up replacing it because it was so cheap and thin. But maybe God just helped me out not to install it on my truck because I was not gonna like it and whatnot. But I was still so upset. I wanted to put that cover up today and get my truck completed the way I wanted to look and whatnot. But here is a little clip what happened while I was cutting it. Very reckless of me, should I say. I did not pay attention, and I cut it. It was totally my fault. I messed it up. I screwed up the brand new cover. It cost me $225 today at the dealership for that cover. Now I'm gonna have to throw it away. I tried to look for a replacement part for it to complete it, but I can't seem to find it online. But anyways, on Wednesday is a garbage day. It's gonna be down there by the curb. I'm gonna put it down there, and maybe somebody gonna pick it up, or garbage man for sure gonna pick it up. But anyways, guys, yeah, it's an unfortunate today, very bad luck. But I already ordered a different one from Rough Country, tri-folding one, so hopefully it's gonna be a little bit better quality and easy to install. So hopefully by next week sometime it's gonna show up here, and we're gonna have that video how to install that cover, and we're gonna have a nice walk around of my truck, completed everything. I cannot wait. I really don't like my pickup trucks to be open like that. It really bothers me. But yeah, what are you gonna do, you know? Now and then that's what happens, you know. Let me show you around here. Very unfortunate. Here is the pile of junk over here now. It sits nice cover right here. Here is the gush right there. I cut it. As you can see, it's super paper thin, this cover. I don't know what they were thinking making it this thin, but like I said, I was not gonna be happy with it anyways. With this cover, I was eventually going to replace it, but yeah, it was gonna be nice if I was gonna be able to put it on a truck today. So I'm gonna have it nice and covered and completed. I would love the look of that. Alright guys, I'm gonna let you go right now, and bear with me. Hopefully pretty soon we're gonna get the other cover and get it installed. But yeah, what can you do, you know? Guys, unfortunately, bad days like this, and shit's happen, what they say, you know what I mean? Thank you very much for watching, guys. I will see you soon with another video.